Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al Aliyy. This special name tells us something amazing about Allah. Al Aliyy means the Most High. This tells us that Allah is above everything. He is higher than the highest thing we can imagine. Think about the tallest things you know, tall buildings, mountains, even the clouds in the sky. Allah is higher than all of these. Let me tell you a story about a child who loved to look up at the night sky. The sky was filled with twinkling stars, and the moon shone brightly. The child asked, "What's beyond the stars?" Even higher than the farthest star we can see, Allah is there, watching over everything with His infinite knowledge and power. Because Allah is Al Aliyy, He can see everything happening everywhere. He watches over us all the time, protecting us and taking care of us. Now let's take a moment to think about Allah being Al Aliyy. Close your eyes and imagine looking up into the sky. Remember that Allah is the Most High, watching over you with love and care. Remember, dear children, whenever you look up at the sky, think of Allah's beautiful name, Al Aliyy. He is the Most High, always watching over us with His perfect love and care.